to Proggy TV. Today we want to see how we can stay online on Fiverr 247 so that we can start making money from Fiverr too. One thing about Fiverr is staying online. You just imagine if you're a seller or if you're a buyer, you want to get a service done, you want this service done or delivered as soon as possible. So what do you do? One thing you're going to do is maybe you want to search for logo design. And now, if you look at the number of persons offering this service, it's about 178,000 persons offering this service. And now you see that these guys are too much. And in order for you to get this service done on time, you want to streamline to those who are already online. And if you can see this service now is 178, if you go to those who are online now, you see that the thing is going to get reduced drastically. Just see it right now. From 178 to how many? To just 8,000 persons online. That means you want to be among these 8,000 persons online if you are a seller, so that this buyer can see your service and get it bought. Just let's scroll up. You can see that this person is online. You can see the green button here. It shows it's online. This one is online. This is online. This one. So all these people, all these sellers are online. And if you are one of these persons, this buyer can just immediately click on this your gig and chat with you, and before you know, you're already buying or you're already selling. So one thing that can make you to stay online 247 is a plugin called Auto Reload plugin for Firefox. Look at it, Auto Reload for Firefox. Click on it. Let's see. Then you can see click Add to Firefox. Then click Add. Okay, look at it here. Look at it here. Can you get it? Just click on it. And you can set your time. Maybe you want this tab to get reset every 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But in this for Fiverr, one thing I want to make you understand that if you want your service to get refreshed or you want your account to stay online, like this my account, you can see it's saying you switch to seller because it's a long time using this account, so it's already in the buyer part of Fiverr. So let me switch to seller. If I switch to seller now, you will now see my dashboard. You can see my dashboard, and maybe I want this particular tab, this particular page to be reloaded every time. So I will make sure I'm logged into my Fiverr account, then make sure that my account is on profile. Maybe I click on profile. So if I click on profile, this page will not be reloading every time. And if you look at this account from Nigeria, I created this account March 2021. This is more than a year ago right now. For me, for not these tutorials I gave to someone. So now, what do? Come to this tab, this is auto refresh tab. Click on it and set amount of minutes. Like in this Fiverr, it is recommended to stay online using this Fiverr, this auto reload for about 3 to 5 minutes. And that's in seconds, should be giving about 450 seconds. So I'm going to choose 450 seconds. But if I can just give a test work to see if it's going to reload at all, let's just choose 5 seconds. 5 seconds, and you see that this tab auto reloaded by itself. Let's watch. Look at it. You can see it reloaded just now. Let's watch again, in case you did not see it. It reloaded again right now. It reloaded again right now. So, but it's too fast. So let's make it to 450. Let's stop it here, and let's start with 450, so that the reloading time will make some sense to us. You see, so it's already started now. So with this plugin, you can stay online again and again and again without any challenge. That's how you stay online on Fiverr 247. On that way, it can make you to stay online on Fiverr. Like this place I told you right now, this one, your phone or your laptop will stay on. Your data will stay on every time. You make sure your data is on. But in that case, that we call the RDP part, that part will make you to stay online 247 too. But this one, you don't have to put on your PC. Your PC can stay off. But yeah, because of this RDP, which is called Remote Desktop Protocol, you can install this Firefox browser into this RDP, and you can still install this tab auto refresh into this RDP too. And with that, you can stay online 247. Yeah, some people sell this RDP, me too, and I can help you if you want to get it for a cheaper way. You can just make it on you can just state on the comment section that please I need this RDP, or how can I get this RDP. You can come there and I will get it for you. So these are the two ways you can stay online on Fiverr 247, and so that you can start getting orders. Because some people say they come online, they do everything and don't get orders. Staying online is one of those key ways for you to start making money from Fiverr. And this tutorial, I think it has really helped you. Please do well to subscribe, share the link, and make a comment as to what I need to upgrade or maybe I need to improve on. Thanks for watching. Bye.